Google Drive is more than just cloud storage. It's a powerful tool to boost productivity if you know how to use it effectively. In 2025, mastering a few key features can help you stay organized, collaborate seamlessly, and save time. One of the first tips is to organize your files with a clear folder structure and consistent naming conventions. Group related documents together, use descriptive names, and consider color coding folders or starring frequently used files for easy access. Proper organization reduces clutter and ensures you can find what you need quickly. Collaboration is another area where Google Drive shines. Sharing files and folders is simple, and you can set permissions for view, comment, or edit. Using the @mention feature in comments lets you notify team members directly, speeding up communication and keeping everyone on the same page. Version history is a powerful tool for tracking changes, allowing you to restore previous versions if needed, which is especially helpful when multiple people are editing the same document. Search and shortcuts are productivity boosters too. Google Drive's advanced search lets you find files by type, owner, keywords, or even content inside documents. Shortcuts to frequently used files or folders help you access important resources instantly. Integrating Drive with Google Workspace apps like Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Forms allows you to work directly within the platform, keeping all your projects in one place. Automation can take productivity even further. Tools like Google Drive's integration with Zapier, Slack, or Trello allow you to automatically save files, notify teams of updates, or streamline workflows without manual effort. Offline access is another time saver. By enabling offline mode, you can continue working on your files even without an internet connection. By using these tips, Google Drive becomes more than storage. It becomes a central hub for productivity, organization, and collaboration. Implementing these practices ensures you work smarter, not harder, and make the most out of your digital workspace. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Google Drive tips, productivity hacks, and tools to help you work smarter in 2025.